Previously on a Pinoy's journey in transit.
Mabuhay Russia!
It's a Wednesday, May 17. I'm back on the road. I'm going to Vladimir by train. Then when I get there, I'm going to Suzdal by bus. Going to Vladimir is about 2 hours. Then going to Suzdal by bus will take about 30 to 40 minutes. Vladimir in Suzdal is part of the Golden Ring of Russia, a vast area in which old Russian cities are located in a ring-like arrangement. Formerly comprised the region known as lazily. So here at Forsky Station, it took me a while to find it, but I'm finally here and I'm waiting for my train. Our train just arrived. This is our train. It's our train going to Vladimir. I miss the classic Trans-Siberian train. This is good. It's 8:56 and we have safely arrived here in Vladimir. Now it's time to find a bus going to Suzdal. The nice gentleman on the train station told me that the Octobus will be arriving here every 3 minutes across the road. So anyway, let's go to the bus station and buy some ticket going to Suzdal. Suzdal.
Suzdal?
Да.
Ticket?
This is the bus station. The bus ticket cost me 95 rubles. So this is my new friend Andre from
Hey, what's up?
LA.
How's it going?
Yeah, this is our bus.
This is our boss. Let's do this, man.
Yeah. Let's go. While I'm almost at the end of my in-transit trip, my new friend here was just starting his, from Moscow to Beijing, the other way around. Here in Suzdal, having a hard time finding a scarf.
In Russia, like that.
So my friend here finally found a scarf. He's buying it for 300 rubles. So how did you find out about this place, Andre?
About the Trans-Siberian train?
Suzdal.
The Suzdal,
Suzdal.
Lonely Planet. I didn't even know how to get here though, because when I got to Vladimir, I was like, I don't know where to go. And then I found the bus station and they told me there's a bus, you know, to Suzdal every like.
Yeah, there's
20
no
minutes.
train going here, right?
Yeah. This is like the middle of nowhere. We are in the heart of Russia. We are the only ones. Only us and the cows. What's good?
So we bought some alcohol.
I have no idea, but it's time to try it.
Okay, commence the pouring. Smells good. Let's have a toast.
Na zdarovia.
Хорошо.
Oh. Not bad, right?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm having fun. This is really fun. A few days ago, 4 or 5 days ago, I was in Moscow for a couple of days, and now I'm in Suzdal.
It's very unique that we met. I'm ending my journey and you're just
Starting
starting
it.
Yeah, really
Yeah.
cool.
It's very spiritual.
Decided to eat lunch here in a restaurant. I don't know what's the name, but take a look. We're in Suzdal station and we're buying a bus ticket back to Vladimir.
Vladimir, do Vladimir. Do Vladimir. Okay, спасибо. 233. Let's see what happens. I think we will be here forever. 33, I thought it was 159.
So we're still here in Suzdal waiting for our bus. Next on, a Pinoy's journey in transit.